Hi everybody and welcome to week 3. I just wanted to go over a few quick things for this week. Keep in mind the college is closed on Monday, which is Labor Day, September 5th. Your assignments are due on Sunday the 4th. However, you can feel free to get them done in advance so that you can have your whole weekend to enjoy. This week you are still going to be focusing on concepts. You have a training to do for this week as well as a project. The project for this week, you are going to get to search for a job online using 3 separate job search websites. An example of these would be careerbuilder.com, hotjobs.com. Those are job search websites. Please don't use websites that take you directly to the company page. So for example, if you were looking for a job on Apple's website, that wouldn't be a job search website that you could use for the sake of this assignment. Reminder, you're not going to submit a link to your OneDrive for the remainder of the semester. We just did that for week 1 in case other instructors want you to submit that way. That way we were able to teach you how to do so. You are going to type your responses directly in Blackboard for this week, or you could type them into Word so that you can use a spelling and grammar check there, and then you can copy and paste them into Blackboard. So you click on the assignment link once you're ready to submit, scroll down, and remember we're not going to submit anything down here in the comment section. That's only if you have a note for your instructor. You're going to click Write Submission, and this is where you will type your assignment. Again, you could press Control-C, copy it from Word if you want to type it there first, and then press Control-V to paste it over here. You have to ensure that you answer all 5 of the questions. Please be sure to read the instructions carefully, and once you're done, you would submit it. You must use proper grammar, spelling, and punctuation on all of your college assignments, as they should be college quality writing. You can get to your module reading for this week, which is file and folder management. So you will review some of the tasks that you did in your Getting Started project from week 1. Here's your concepts training, the project we went over. Your discussion board for this week is going to be talking about cloud-based storage versus local file storage. Some of you might already be somewhat familiar with the 2 concepts. You can watch this video to learn more about it, and then you are also going to respond by creating a discussion board post, and in your own words, you need to respond to the following bullet points. Replies are required for 3 of your classmates. Also, please ensure that you use college quality writing again. Your last assignment for this week, which is something new you haven't done yet, it's a quiz. It's called Putting It All Together, and this one is working with OneDrive. So when you click on it, it's going to open up a window in SAM. I'm going to give you a quick preview of it so that you are somewhat familiar. It looks similar to your training, except there's just one task scenario. So you can read this, then you'll launch all. Yours might look slightly different because I am in the instructor view, but it will be quite similar to what you're seeing. So the task instructions are to complete the critical thinking challenge by making a series of decisions which lead to one of several specific outcomes. Take time to consider each scene and think carefully about your options. There is a scrolling bar that you'll need to use to move down if you can't see all of the text. I will tell you as a hint, if it is something we have not discussed at all, that's probably not going to be the correct answer. So you're going to read the scenario. It's telling you you're working as an office assistant on a college campus, and they've asked you to complete a task for your job. And then they're going to give you another scenario and then ask you a question. So for example, this one asks you which operating system will you choose, Windows 10 or Linux. Think about the one that we've been talking about in this class. If we have not been talking about another one, then that's probably not going to be the right answer. So let's say I choose Windows 10. Then you're going to read again, and then which button tells you the right answer. Will you be using File Explorer or Edge? One of them is a browser for the internet, and the other one helps you find files that you have saved. So you're going to continue to go through all of these tasks until you finish. I did give you 2 attempts since this is your first putting it all together quiz. You'll be able to see your grade upon completion, and then you should also see your grade transfer over to Blackboard. Allow about 24 hours for that to happen. Sometimes it's much quicker. And then that's all you'll have for week 3. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via email. Thanks and have a great week.